Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa aking channel. Meron po tayong topic na second batch of schools na meron ng NCA para sa 10,000 teaching allowance. So ano ba ang mga school na ito? Tingnan po natin. Ito yung Ocampo National High School, Don M. Veneracion National High School, Dr. Rodolfo B. Pamor Jr. Memorial National High School, Hubo National High School, Pamukid National High School, Palsong National High School, Godofredo Reyes Senior National High School, Juan L. Filipino Memorial High School, Malawag National High School. Sana all na lang pero madami pa po ito mga ka-Jesnabs. Ito pa, Partido Agro-Industrial National High School, Kulakling National High School, Del Gallego National High School, Hanawan National High School, Humubono H. Gonzales National High School, Juan F. Trevino Memorial High School, Magarao National High School, Maura Insibulo National High School, Minalabak National High School. Ito pa, Nabuan National High School, La Purisima National High School, Pampiona National High School, Gainza National High School, Milaor National High School, Calabanga National Science High School, Don Cerveliano Platon Memorial National High School. Congrats po sa inyo, meron ng sure na teaching allowance. Tingnan pa natin yung iba. Ito pa, Rizal Integrated National High School, Rawis National High School, Panlayan National High School, Division of Sorsogon City. Mahigit 14 million pesos po yan. Kasama ang Abuyog National High School, Celestino Gita Buena Memorial National High School, Sorsogon National High School, San Isidro National High School, Bacon, Rawis National High School. Division of Sorsogon City, Rizal Integrated National High School, Sorsogon National High School, Itaran National High School. Ito pa, San Jose National High School, Malilipot, Pulangi General Comprehensive High School, Lebon Agro-Industrial High School, Malipo National High School, Anislag National High School. Manito National High School, Maramba National High School, Kilikaw High School, Maoraro National High School, UAS Polytechnic School. Balugo High School, Pili National High School, Rapo-Rapo National High School, Division of Albay, mahigit 83.5 million pesos. Kotmon National High School. Take note po mga ka-Jesnabs, 10,000 pesos po ito bawat teacher. Ito pa, Marcial Oranyola Memorial High School, Pantaw National High School, Piodoran National High School, Bunga National High School. Ito pa, Buga High School, Libon, Malilipot National High School, Daraga National High School, Punso National High School, San Antonio National High School, Malilipot, Tiwi Agro-Industrial School. Ito pa po, Villahermosa National High School, Malinaw National High School, Vinisitahan National High School, Saban National High School, Santo Domingo National High School, Bareo National High School. Ito pa, Naga National High School, Kabasan National High School, Ilawod High School, Malabog National High School, Lower Binugsakan National High School, Masarawag National High School, Jovellar National High School. Doon lang po muna nagtatapos ang second batch of schools na mayroon ng 10,000 teaching allowance. Congratulations po sa inyo mga ka-Jesnabs. By the way, pakisubscribe naman kung hindi nyo pa ito nagagawa sa channel ko. Thank you po. Bye-bye.